Hi, I'm Dr. Tarandeep Singh Gill, Consultant Joint Replacement and Sports Medicine at Healing Hospital, चंडीगढ़। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे घुटने की सबसे कॉमन प्रॉब्लम आर्थराइटिस के बारे में। Our knee joint is made up of 3 bones, thigh bone और femur, leg bone और tibia and kneecap और patella। इन तीनों हड्डियों के ऊपर एक नेचुरल कार्टिलेज की लेयर होती है, एक कुदरती परत होती है जो यहाँ पे सफ़ेद रंग में दिखाई गई है। इन ए नॉर्मल नी जॉइंट, दिस वाइट प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर ऑफ कार्टिलेज कवर्स ऑल द बोन्स ऑफ द नी जॉइंट। ये कुदरती परत घुटने की हड्डियों को आपस में रगड़ने से बचाती है। इसी कारण इस परत को हम कई बार समझाने के लिए ग्रीस भी कहते हैं। सो इन ए नॉर्मल नी जॉइंट देयर इज अ स्मूथ मूवमेंट बिटवीन द बोन्स एंड देयर इज नो नी पेन। घुटने के एक्सरे में हड्डी तो नज़र आती है, लेकिन ये कार्टिलेज की परत नज़र नहीं आती है। सो इन ए नॉर्मल एक्सरे देयर इज़ यूजुअली एन एम्प्टी स्पेस बिटवीन द 2 बोन्स ऑफ द नी जॉइंट। घुटने की हड्डियों के बीच में एक खाली जगह नज़र आती है, जिसको कुछ लोग समझाने के लिए गैप भी कहते हैं, जो कि कंप्लीटली नॉर्मल है। सो इफ़ यू गेट एन एक्सरे डन एंड देयर इज़ अ गैप इन योर नी एक्सरे, इट इज़ कंप्लीटली नॉर्मल एंड इट इज़ नॉट नी आर्थराइटिस। Destruction or damage of this naturally occurring layer of cartilage is known as knee arthritis. The damage or destruction could be because of age, infection, injury, or disease. Arthritis can be classified into mild, moderate, or severe arthritis, or depending upon X-rays, stage 2, 3, or 4, depending upon the degree of damage to the cartilage layer. In mild arthritis or stage 2, the cartilage starts to crack or fissure. स्टेज 2 में ये जो कुदरती परत होती है वो टूटना शुरू हो जाती है। ये या तो किसी चोट लगने के कारण होता है, या उम्र के साथ, या किसी बीमारी के कारण, या कई बार ये इन्फेक्शन के कारण भी टूटना शुरू हो जाती है। सो इट स्टार्ट्स टू थिन डाउन एंड इन एन एक्सरे द नॉर्मल गैप ऑफ द नी जॉइंट स्टार्ट्स टू रिड्यूस। तो जो नॉर्मल एक्सरे में जो एक गैप नज़र आता है, जब वो कम होना शुरू हो जाता है, उसको हम नी आर्थराइटिस कहते हैं। In moderate arthritis or stage 3, this cartilage layer breaks down further and there are small localized pieces of areas of destruction, usually in the weight bearing or the inner side of the knee joint. तो moderate arthritis में या stage 3 arthritis में घुटने के अंदर की तरफ हमें ज़्यादातर मरीजों को दर्द होना शुरू हो जाता है। This causes severe pain and reduction in the movement of the knee joint. In the X-ray, in this stage, the gap or the empty space further reduces and small pieces of bone appear along the joint line known as osteophytes. एक्सरे में जब ये गैप और कम हो जाना शुरू हो जाता है, तो इसको हम मॉडरेट आर्थराइटिस कहते हैं। इन सीवियर आर्थराइटिस और स्टेज 4, the cartilage completely breaks down and it thins out, so much so that the bone starts rubbing against each other and causes severe knee pain. The pain starts to occur while standing, while walking, or sometimes even rest pain. What can I do now so that I don't suffer from arthritis later in my life? Be active, be fit, keep your weight in check, do regular exercise, have a balanced diet, and do not ignore knee injuries like ligament tear, sports injuries, etc. I have knee arthritis. Is knee replacement the only option for me? No. Depending upon the clinical examination and the X-ray findings, there are various surgical and non-surgical treatment options available for treatment of knee arthritis. Please discuss with your orthopedic surgeon to decide which treatment modality is the best for you. Are knee injections safe? One should avoid frequent steroid knee injections, which seem easy and cheap treatment option for knee pain. But frequent and repetitive steroid knee injections have shown to have both local and systemic complications. But PRP injections and lubrication injections do help in patients to a certain extent who have mild knee arthritis, but they do not have any proven role in cases with stage 3 or stage 4 knee arthritis. How is fast-track knee resurfacing different from traditional knee replacement surgery? Fast-track knee resurfacing is an advanced surgical procedure in which we don't change or replace your knee joint, but rather we resurface the damaged parts of the knee joint with metal implant caps. In this technique, there is no need to cut the bone to fit the implants. The damaged surfaces of the knee bone is merely shaved off and is covered with metal implant caps. It's a stitchless procedure in which there is no need to put metal staples on the skin after the surgery. What is the life of fast-track knee resurfacing? As in traditional knee replacement surgery, the life of surgery depends upon the strength, design, and durability of implants as well as the strength of the bones. In fast-track knee resurfacing, since we use the same implant caps, the life of the procedure is same as the knee replacement surgery. Are physiotherapy exercises beneficial? Yes, physiotherapy exercises are very useful in each stage of arthritis, be it stage 1, be it stage 2, 3 or 4. Physiotherapy exercises are very useful before the surgery. Physiotherapy exercises are even more useful after the surgery. When is the right time to get knee surgery done? If knee arthritis is affecting your lifestyle, if it is making you change the way you usually do things, it's time to visit your doctor. If you are unable to do your morning or evening walks comfortably, if you are unable to stand for a long time, if you find it difficult to climb stairs, if your knees hurt when you stand up from sitting position, if you have to take regular medications for knee pain, if your knee joints have started to change shape or they are becoming bent, if you have to use knee caps, knee braces, etc., if you are having frequent knee injections, it is time to visit your orthopedic doctor. Remember, knee pain is not the only symptom of knee arthritis, and it's not always the first symptom either.